Hi again. I'm Deborah Arneson, clinical nutritionist. I'm here to give you help and hope and hopefully the ability to heal your own body and sidestep the onset of any untoward, unnecessary attack, assault internally. Whether it be diseases coming down the pike that you may think you've inherited, or you have that gene and it might express, or bacterias or viruses. So today we're going to talk, this is number 5 of a 3-part series that we started, and I think we're going to go on and continue these every week. We're going to talk about iron and the importance of iron, and we found in many instances that people who have a lack of iron in their blood, and by the way, it is the one mineral that is found in the greatest or largest amounts in our bloodstream. It is vital for everything. So when you're iron deficient, and that can be due to diets that are really high in phosphorus, like people who can consume huge amounts of protein versus eating fruits and vegetables and a nice mixed food diet with lots of good healthy fatty acids. People who drink a ton of coffee wipes out your iron. People who take a ton of antacids. America has some of the greatest and largest number of people in the world who have GI problems. And people who drink a lot of black tea will also find that they're iron deficient. You can just Google this stuff. It's all over the internet. So you can find out the things that are provocative, and we tend to be very habitual eaters or consumers of things we love the most. So it could be one of the things you do every day in copious amounts that is depleting your iron stores in your bloodstream. Iron carries oxygen. So that means that it brings nutrients with it to help every organ and system in your body heal. But it specifically, as I mentioned initially, it activates your red blood cells. So when you do a test and you look at your IBCs and they're low on your blood test, even though they may be in that silly, ridiculous, range of low to high, if they're at the low end, the chances are you're not carrying enough iron or oxygen in the body. You can tell if you have enough iron generally because you'll have really nice pink gums and you'll have like a little rosebud kiss on both your cheeks. If you're white, pale, pasty, and you have no energy, I'm going to guarantee you need to take a look at iron first and foremost. 18 to 20 milligrams a day is what you should be consuming. If you are going to supplement, then find a supplement that will give you that. Iron tablets can really provoke a lot of people's guts or stomachs, so I suggest that you consider taking a liquid iron. There are some really good ones online. All over the place, and they're extracted from like beets and beet tops, so they're healthy and they're loaded with other substrate nutrients along with the iron that help the assimilation of that iron. And those liquids are very soft. They will not bother your tummy. In regards to foods, again, I suggest you Google this, but almonds and avocados and herbs like eyebright and chamomile are also very high in iron. So hopefully this is helpful. We know that anemia sets you up for invasion by things like bacteria and viruses. So you need to oxidate your body in a good way, and you need to make sure that you're carrying enough oxygen into all the organ system cells, especially the immune system and the red blood cells, so that you can fight whatever comes your way. I'm Deborah Arneson, bringing you help, hope, and healing, and hopefully this has helped. God bless you all, and take good care of your well-being. Till tomorrow.